Hey guys, so I'm using my microphone. As you can see, it's really nice. And at the back, I'm currently editing my recorded audios. Also drinking coffee because it's Father's Day today and I'm celebrating Father's Day with my father, of course. As you can see, I'm just whispering. I don't know if you can hear it, but yeah. uh, and that's it. I'm kind of busy right now because I've been doing the stops and I'm so happy. And it's nice because even though I'm whispering, I don't think that they can hear me outside, but I can hear them. So, yeah, I'll update you again, guys. See you. Hi, guys, good morning. I'm kind of late right now. Coca-Cola. Let's eat breakfast. Thank you, Lord. We're going to eat lugaw and of course my favorite, one of my favorite empanada, as always. But guys, I don't like yung palaman nito sa loob ha. Gusto ko lang yung tinapay. Okay. Hey guys, so this is the update when I'm very busy right now. As you can see, ang dami kong papers na. It's okay. I'm okay. Kwensya na. Hi guys, good morning. I like my hair.
mas pero much ta. Natin yan. Thank you so much, Bus Cargo, for visiting here in SCMAP office and giving us a cake to our President Sir Dennis. And of course, Mr. Aki, thank you again. Maraming salamat po. Sinama niyo po ang inyong CEO. Nakakatuwa talaga sa feeling na yung matataas na tao na mamimit mo, tas ang humble, ang sarap sa puso na parang, ay, ang sarap magtrabaho, ganun.
I watched the sun come up today. I wish that you'd been there to see it, but you were only half awake, and nothing ever stops you dreaming, but you're all I need, honestly.